Right, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Valorant error code VAL 43. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know how you can fix this problem. So the first and easiest method is this, that you can just open up Valorant's file location. So I don't have Valorant, but it's very similar on how you can do that. Just simply go to Valorant and you just gotta right click on it and you'll see the option of properties and many other, but you just gotta go to its file location. If you can't find its file location, what you can do is just go to manually like this, and you just gotta go to this PC, and where you've installed it, just go ahead and like that, and right over here you just gotta find the official for it. So for me, my game as Epic Games, but if it's for you, it's gonna be Riot Games. Obviously, just go to Riot Games like that, and then your game, and then again your games a game folder, and then binaries. It's gonna be same like that, and then Win64, and right over here you'll find your client. So what you gotta do with your client, so you gotta right click on it and go to properties, and right over here you'll see the option of compatibility. So right over here you have to press run this program in compatibility mode for your Windows, and make sure disable full screen optimizations are turned on as well. Once both of these options are turned on like this ticked, you just gotta go ahead and press on apply. So I don't need to do any modifications, but if you are having this problem, you gotta do this and then press apply after that. Once this is done, you're good to go. And then the last method is just simply open up Windows Run and just go to app data, and over here inside app data you have to go to local and find Riot Games. So obviously you just gotta press on R and find Riot Games. So I don't need to find any Riot Games. I'm just gonna show you example of it. You just gotta go to this and then online services and user helper, and you'll see the option of Riot Client services over here. It will be like this. You just gotta delete one of them, like this one over here, as it says user helper. It will say Riot Client services. Just gotta delete that, and you're good to go, and the problem will be solved. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.